Children, let us see some more examples. That is LCM of 4 and 8. See this LCM of 4 and 8. Find the LCM of 4 and 8. LCM of 4 and 8. First, what we have to do? We have to write the multiples of 4. Then write the multiples of 8. Then take the common multiples of 4 and 8. Then from the common multiples, take the smallest common multiple. Then we get the LCM. Let us write the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 is equal to 4 ones 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, then 36, then 40, 44, 48, etc. These are the multiples of 4, right? Then write the multiples of 8. Then multiples of 8 are multiples of 8 are, which are the multiples of 8? 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 fives are 40, then 48, 56, then what is the next multiple? 60, 64, etc. These are the multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 we got. Now what we have to take is, we have to take the common multiples of 4 and 8. Let us see which are the common multiples of 4 and 8. See, 4 here, since it is a multiples of 8, it starts from 8. So 8 is the common multiple in both 4 and 8. 8 is there. The next multiple 16. Here also there is 16. So let us write 16. Then here you see 24. Here also there is 24. Then 32. 32. Then 40. 40. These are the common multiples. Right? So let us write the common multiples of 4 and 8. Common multiples of 4 and 8. Which are the common multiples of 4 and 8? 8, 16, 24, 32, etc. These are the common multiples of 4 and 8. Now take the least one or the smallest of the common multiples. Which is the smallest common multiple? LCM. LCM is the least common multiple or the lowest common multiple or the smallest of the common multiples. That is LCM. Which is the smallest among the common multiples? Among the common multiples, 8 is the smallest one. Other multiples are greater than 8. Right? So 8 is the least common multiple or the lowest common multiple or the LCM. Okay? So LCM is equal to 8. Okay children? Next, see, for us it is very easy to find for the single digit numbers. It is very easy. Okay, if there are more numbers, say suppose it is the LCM, we have to find the LCM of 20 and 30. 20 and 30. Here also we have to write the multiples of 20 and 30, isn't it? So these are big numbers from 20 onwards, 20, 40, 60, 80, like that it comes. And 30 is multiples, 30, 60, 90, then 120. It goes on like that, isn't it? So 20 and 30 also we can write. If the numbers are greater than this, then for us it will be difficult to write the multiples. Okay, so here we can write the multiples. Let us see. See, multiples of 20. Multiples of 20. Which are the multiples of 20? 21's 20, 22's are 40, 23's are 60, 24's are 80, then 25's are 100, then 120, 140, etc. It goes on like this, etc. Right? Next, write the multiples of 20. Multiples of 30. 31s 30, 32s are 60, 33s are 90, 34s are 120, then 35s are 150, then 180, 210, goes on like this. So for 20 and 30 also it is quite easy to write. We can write, right? So let us write the common multiples. Common multiples of 20 and 30. Let us find the common multiples among both the numbers. See here 20, here there is no 20, here it is 40, no 40. So here 60 is there, here also 60. Now the common multiples are 60 and 60. Next common multiple you see 120. Here also there is 120, right? So the common multiples are 60, 120, then etc. It goes like this, right? Now which is the LCM of 20 and 30? That is the least among the common multiples. That means smallest of all the common multiples. Here we got the common multiple 60, 120. It goes on like that. Next common multiple will be 180. You add 60 to the previous number, you get the next common multiple. Okay, that is 60 plus 60, 120. Again, if you add 60, you get 180. Then 240. Like that, you will get the common multiples. There will be so many common multiples, right? So, which is the LCM? Least common multiple. That is the smallest common multiple. Which one is the least common multiple or the LCM? LCM is equal to the smallest of this. Which is the smallest? 60. So, the LCM of 20 and 30 is 60. That means we can divide this number 60 by both the numbers 20 and 30. That is the meaning. Okay. This LCM is divisible by both 20 and 30. We can divide this number by 20 and 30. Okay. Which number is divisible by this 60? By 60 we can divide 60 by 20 and 60 by 30. Okay, both the numbers 20 and 30 we can divide this number, right?